Yeah, we got a single piece of paper that says nothing offensive on it. Sick reference. Yeah. Got Reese's Puffs in my bowl. Wow. Now that you got your lady here set up, it's important that you give her some decoration. So I got a little monster sticker to put on here. Put it right there and then just yeah. Now she's looking good. Alright, now that you've got this all decorated and she's looking real hot, I mean real cold, I mean smoking cold, you can start to stock her up. My model comes with a little freezer here for all you boys who like to be freezing things. For Febreze, more like for freeze. This part right here is for all my meatheads.